Builderall.
Create businesses, bring new customers, automate, promote and sell much more with the leading digital marketing platform.
Representing more than 100,000 businesses in more than 150 countries, leveraging and boosting their sales with Builderall.
The only platform with over 1,000 features and 50+ tools. Builderall specializes in empowering professionals with the best digital marketing tools.
We build incredibly fast and complete websites and implement email marketing with tracking systems that are integrated into sales pages for increased conversion rates.
We also provide an attractive platform to teach online courses using the latest technology and e-learning available on the market today.
Builderall is a leader in cost effectiveness and is approved by more than 100,000 users worldwide. We are constantly developing tools that create opportunities both for those who already have a business and need digital solutions to sell more, and for those who want to create digital solutions for third parties.
Solid structures for any business of any size with maximum performance.
From the beginner to the most demanding expert, Builderall can be used by everyone.
So, start now. The link is in the description.